Welcome back to What's Now. With the new year, you may be wanting to improve your health, how you look, all those things. And recently I spoke with a dermatologist who has the updates about the newest trends and fads in skincare. Let's take a look.
It's time to put those lofty New Year's resolutions to bed. Here with us this morning is Board-Certified Dermatologist Dr. Sabrina Fabi to discuss non-invasive body contouring treatments, specifically CoolSculpting, and more, so we can all make informed decisions on the best opportunities to take care of ourselves this year. Dr. Fabi, thanks for joining us today. How are you?
Thank you so much for having me, Christine. I'm doing wonderful.
So coming off the wave of failed New Year's resolutions, what can we all do to reset?
So it's important to note that I am a paid spokesperson for Allergan Aesthetics, but I'm super excited to be here with you all to discuss CoolSculpting and CoolSculpting Elite, which are both non-invasive body contouring treatments that may complement your maybe failed New Year's resolutions. CoolSculpting is the only FDA-cleared, cold-based, non-surgical body contouring treatment that's available for individuals seeking to remove those kind of stubborn, visible fat bulges that no matter how much diet or exercise you do, they just are not as responsive. So just like CoolSculpting, CoolSculpting Elite is the one and only treatment that's FDA cleared to eliminate stubborn fat in 9 different areas of the body. In the upper arm, raw fat, back fat, banana roll, which is that kind of stubborn fat right underneath the butt cheeks, thigh, abdomen, as well as flanks, which some folks refer to as love handles. And then also for that area under the chin called the submental area, and the area along the jawline right underneath called the submandibular area.
What is the difference between if I can say it right, the difference between CoolSculpting and CoolSculpting Elite? Tell me more about how those differ from one another.
Right. So the new Elite system has 2 applicators, which can be used at the same time because we generally have 2 love handles or 2 outer thighs that need to be treated. So literally from the same machine, you can now freeze 2 times the amount of fat in comparison to using just 1 applicator from the old CoolSculpting legacy system. So much more efficient.
And are there any side effects, and how safe are these treatments?
Right. So there's a range of side effects that patients can experience when undergoing a treatment with CoolSculpting. Some of the common ones include temporary numbness and redness, as well as bruising or discomfort, as well as swelling in the area that's been treated. Rare side effects can also occur and include something called paradoxical hyperplasia, which is where you get visibly enlarged tissue volume within the treatment area and can develop 2 to 5 months after treatment and will not resolve on its own. So a surgical intervention may be required. But of course, that's why patients need to talk to their doctors about both the benefits as well as the risks before embarking on treatment.
And when can you expect to see results?
Yes, so you can start to see results from CoolSculpting and CoolSculpting Elite as soon as 1 to 3 months after the treatment. Final results can even take 6 months to realize and can vary from patient to patient. I generally tell my patients you may see up to 20 to 25% reduction in the area treated. But remember, it's important to work with your healthcare provider because different patients have different goals. And so you may need additional treatments in order to get to those desired body contouring goals.
And any other tips? Where can we get more information?
What's been wonderful about this system and the reason we've had it now for over 12 years, specifically CoolSculpting, is because there have been over 11 million treatments performed worldwide. So we know that it is safe and effective when used as labeled and directed. If folks want to learn more and they want to see more of the full important safety information, they can visit CoolSculpting.com.
Well, thank you so much for joining us today with this important information and a great way to think about some of our goals this new year. Thanks for your time.
Thank you for having me.